In the merry month of June, from me home I started, left the girls of two, nearly broken hearted, saluted father dear, kissed me darling mother, drank a pint of beer, my grief and tears to smother, and off to reap the corn, and leave where I was born. I cut a stout blackthorn to banish ghosts and goblin, in a new pair of brogues, rattling all the dogs, and frightening all the dogs, on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin, back follow the road. Mullingar that night, and rested limbs so weary, started by daylight. Next morning light and airy, took a drop of the pure to keep my heart from sinking. That's an Irishman's cure when Harry's on for drinking. To see the lasses smile, laughing all the while, and my curious self would set your heart alight. I asked if I was hard, the wages I required, till I was almost tired of the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hunts the hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin, back followed her on. In Dublin next arrived, and what followed the road, so soon deprived the view of that fine city, was then they took the stroll. What followed the road, he bundled it to stroll, and in the something crossed me mind. Then I looked behind, no one, no could I find a boy, a boy inquiring for the road. They sent me call and road, was a much in vogue on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hunts the hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin, back followed the road. From there I got away, from there I saw her fade, and landed on the cage, and landed on the stage, and standing when I got a paddy, down among the pigs, I played some funny race, done some hearty jigs, the water around me Dublin, when the folly head, I wish myself was dead, no better far instead, on the rocky road to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hunts the hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin, back followed her on. When we safely landed, called myself a fool. I could no longer stand it, blood began to boil. Temper